Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So let's just first slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and after that here you'll see the transition section. Just click here once. Now we have selected the default one here, and after that just you can select one from this available transitions here. For example, I'll go with the rotate one. After that, just click on the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed home screen animation on our device. If you wanna go back to the default one, just by the same way, go to the transitions and switch currently animation to default, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.